Most companies have already implemented some form of artificial intelligence solution. However, it is important to recognize that not all AI tools are created equal. But what separates genuine business intelligence from a simple chat window? At first glance, both may appear innovative, yet there are fundamental differences in terms of technological architecture, scalability, and the business value they generate. These differences can be traced back to three architectural approaches: standalone, bolt-on, and AI-native models. The first category is standalone AI. These are isolated, purpose-built tools optimized for a specific task, such as document analysis or content generation. Their advantages lie in rapid deployment and direct access to the latest models. Their critical limitation, however, is a lack of integration with the enterprise ecosystem. Every interaction requires manual data input and context building, while the continuous export and import of data introduces significant security and privacy risks. These are useful utilities, but they operate as technological islands. They do not improve system-level efficiency. The second approach is bolt-on AI, where an artificial intelligence layer is placed on top of an existing software system, such as an ERP or CRM platform. In practice, this most commonly takes the form of a built-in chat assistant. The greatest weakness of bolt-on solutions is their reactive nature. The technology is passive. It waits for the user to activate it, formulate a query, and supply the necessary data. Because the underlying architecture remains unchanged, organizations fall into what can be called the chat window trap. The AI feature sits apart from the actual workflow, and the quality of output depends almost entirely on the user's prompting skills. The most advanced level is represented by AI-native architecture. These systems are designed from the ground up, so that artificial intelligence is not an add-on module but the core engine of the platform. Here, AI does not wait for a button press. It works proactively in the background. It continuously monitors data streams, automatically handles routine operations, and only involves the user when validation or strategic decision-making is required. This autonomy is enabled by agent-based workflows. AI agents can interpret complex goals, decompose them into subtasks, and independently adapt to changing parameters. The coordinated work of multiple agents does not merely accelerate business processes, it fundamentally redefines them. In summary, standalone solutions are fast but isolated. Bolt-on systems are convenient, but preserve the limitations of legacy structures. The AI-native approach, by contrast, is not simply another feature. It is a complete reimagining of how software operates. If you would like to see how a truly AI-native platform drives efficiency in practice, visit the Fluenta One website. Fluenta One, where the system adapts to your processes.